Guys, we have one custom backyard smoker here for y'all today. This is our Fridge 48 insulated firebox, hot box, off-road package, a lot of custom touches. So let's check it out. Now this one's going on my man Jacob. Guys, like I said, this is our fridge smoker. What that means is that's our cabinet door style cooker, all right? Couple advantages to the cabinet doors. First off, it's got the cool handle, right? Everybody likes cool handle. Second off, for all you old farts, you don't have a big heavy door you got to lift up. Cabinet doors swing right open. You get a lot of capacity in this bad boy. So 48 by 24, 3 trays in here. All the trays slide in and out. Now this is a reverse flow pit, and what that is we've got 2 removable plates in here. That directs the heat all the way across and then back out of the stack. It does have a 1-inch ball valve grease drain down there for clean outs. He's got the stainless steel shelf upgrade on the front here. Now, speaking of stainless steel, normally all your accents here on the old fridge would be stainless steel, but not for Jacob. He changed it up, requested copper. So I said, we can do that, but I'm gonna take you a step further. I'm gonna powder coat all your custom logos copper as well. So we got that translucent copper powder coat, really ties it all in. Off-road package with the bronze wheels, of course. Come out really nice. Still got your paper towel utensil holder up here. Now let's come around to our 30-inch hot box. You can see on this hot box, he did add our thermometer eyebrow there. We'll open it up. Inside here, 5 sliding trays totaling 1,776 square inch of cook space. Guys, that's because we love America. Now inside here, we've got a removable plate with daisy wheels. That's how you adjust the temperature in here. Now this can run both hotter or cooler than the smoke chamber. You can also pull that plate out and get direct fire in here. Basically turn it into a direct heat cooker. So very versatile option here. Probably our #1 most requested option is the hot box. Now this is our insulated firebox, so he did upgrade there as well. We've got our fire management cradle in here, D-ring tie downs on the back. Now step around over here to the passenger side of the rig, we've got a fold down shelf. All right, so folds down, boom, big shelf, prep off of, serve off of. He also added a butcher roll holder. That way, pull your paper over, wrap your briskets up, throw them back in there, boom, you're ready to go, easy peasy. So guys, that is my man Jacob's Fridge 48 off-road package rolling out shop today, customized just to his likings. So guys, let me customize one for you. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.